Welcome to the Cambridge Healthy Smiles program, operated under the Cambridge Public Health Department. Our mission is to improve oral health and increase access to dental care for pregnant women in our Cambridge community. The dentist said the filling treatment was successful. Keep up with your oral care at home.
Thank you, Melina. I will. I have heard about early childhood caries, and it worries me. How can I prevent dental cavities in my child?
You're right to be concerned, Sharon. Early childhood caries is common, but with the right approach, it's preventable. The main causes are poor oral hygiene and exposure to sugary foods and drinks. Starting good oral hygiene habits from a young age is crucial for your child's dental health.
What steps should I take to ensure my child's teeth stay healthy?
When the baby doesn't have any teeth, you can start with using gauze or a soft cloth with water on her gums twice a day. This will help remove any milk residue and keep her mouth fresh. Plus, it gets her comfortable with the process of having her mouth cleaned, which can be helpful when she starts teething. Let me walk you through it. Wash your hands. Take a small piece of gauze and dampen it with the lukewarm water. Make sure it's wet but not dripping. Wrap the wet gauze around your index finger. Gently open your baby's mouth by slowly pulling down on her lower lip or opening her mouth with a gentle touch on her chin. Gently rub it over your baby's gums. Use light circular motions to ensure you clean all the areas of the gums, both top and bottom.
I never thought of that. Anything else I should know?
Definitely. Don't put a pacifier in your mouth before giving it to your baby, as it can transfer bacteria. Also, never dip the pacifier in honey, syrup, or other sweeteners. These practices can introduce sugars and bacteria to your baby's mouth.
Thanks, Melina. I feel more equipped to keep my child's teeth healthy.
You're doing great, Sharon. With consistent care and a few precautions, you'll be giving your baby the best start for a lifetime of healthy smiles. For more information or to become part of our growing community of the Cambridge Healthy Smiles, we invite you to visit our website where you'll find valuable learning materials and referral information. We're here to support you, so feel free to reach out to us directly at healthysmiles@cambridgepublichealth.org. Together, let's create lasting change, one smile at a time.